Right, I'm going to start doing a video now on the gpz900 project, and so far I've had a look at the tank. On the TikTok channel I showed a brief video of the state of the tank. So I've shown just how shitted up it is, corroded. You can see it's gone right through there. We've got all holes here and here. Right around, there's holes all over on this, really, in the side. So pretty much you could do with a new tank really, but these old tanks, chances are a lot of them they're going to have corrosion. So I'm going to sand this all back. I'm going to get a look at it and see if I can repair it. I'm going to start by cutting this out so I can get a look at it from the inside. It might clean up. To be honest, I'm just going to sort of see how it goes, this one. I'll cut it out, get a look at it, clean it all up on the inside, and I'm going to actually see if it's going to be worth welding it all up and see if it will all weld up. If it won't, plan B, we'll have to get another tank. But I would like to repair this tank, probably really just to prove a point that it can be done. Just while I'm doing a video on the tank, another tank that I'm doing is the TZR 253MA tank. So I've started stripping this down with some paint stripper, and this is another video that I'll be bringing all my viewers shortly. So I've started to get on with the TZR 253MA again. It's just there. It's on the bike stand. There's the panels. So most of them are repaired and in primer now. I have got the front mudguard to do. That's got some cracks in it, so it needs them repairing. And obviously this top front fairing here, this has got a crack through, so I'll be getting on and repairing that very shortly as well. I'll be working that in with the gpz900 project. So this is a bike that I really want to be getting painted up very soon. So this is an Archive project, Barry Sheen Archive project, and this is the white bike, this one. So mine's the black one. If you've all people that follow me, you'd have seen that mine's the black bike, and this is going to be the white Archive project. And while we're on projects, this is another project that I've started for this year. It's a GSXR 750 SRAD, and we're hoping to form our own race team this year. And we've got a lad that's ridden the TT before. He's got some decent results in the TT. I say we because I've got a couple of friends that are coming into this with me, that are venturing into this with me. What else has he done, Andy? Camera's there. So this is my mate Andy, and he's actually he's sourced the rider for me. And what else has he done? What's he done? What racing's he done?
He's 3 times at the Isle of Man TT with some really good results. Northwest 200, Cooksdown. He's he's a really accomplished rider. He's raced also at the Scarborough.
Yeah, he's raced at Scarborough. He's been on the podium at Oliver's Mount, Scarborough. That was in the Gold Cup. He raced the Gold Cup. And he's also been Supermoto British champion, has he?
Yes, Supermoto
So
champion.
he's done, what's the beach racing he did?
That was at, it just came to me then, that was...
We're useless at remembering stuff, especially on a Sunday morning, as you can imagine. But yeah, he's done the beach racing as well. You guys will know what we can't think of what it is he's done, but yeah. But anyway, so we've got like Maplethorpe, yeah. Maplethorpe.
He's won Maplethorpe as well.
So yeah, he's won Maplethorpe, and he's got better track times than some very, very famous rider. We won't mention some very famous riders. He's actually got better track times around certain tracks. So yeah, definitely
one to watch.
Definitely one to watch. We're looking for extra sponsorship. So if there's any businesses out there that want a really good opportunity, we're looking for extra sponsorship to help us with this project. As I say, I'll be piling the money into the bike, but any sponsorship really, we'll put on the bike, on clothing, on our vans. Obviously I'm doing videos all the time, TikTok videos. I get a lot of following on TikTok, and also my YouTube. It's starting to take off. I do believe this year is going to be our year with the YouTube. Could hardly talk there because it's quite cold in the garage. But but we're going to get cracked on a bit with this gpz900 tank now anyway. Yeah, keep following us and looking out for the other videos, especially on the bike project, the SRAD, and the 250 archive project that I'm going to get on. I need to get that pushed on for that customer very soon. So back on to the gpz900. Right, here we go then, back to the gpz900r tank. I'm going to cut this out and see what it looks like. Always remember your safety gear.
Yes, go.
So I've got one 14 CFM and one 14.5 CFM compressor trying to run that, and they both seem to be struggling. Oh. So yeah, so that's cut right the way around now. We'll pull this out and see what we've got behind it, if it'll come out. Oh my god.
Wow. That doesn't look
Rust.
good. That doesn't look good at all.
I've seen nothing like it. We may have to make a new bottom of the tank if I can do that.
Wow. Wouldn't want to put petrol in there, would you?
No. Yes. So it looks like it's got a tank liner in it at some point. That's all this is, it's been a tank liner. And it's just all come away. God, it's terrible.
So is that a no-go or?
What's happening with the compressor? Let me check the compressor. Right, I'm back, and it was just a blow-off valve had gone on the compressor, so I've sorted that out now anyway. So back to this tank. As you can see, it is well corroded, so you can't repair tanks unless you cut them to bits like this. You can't repair them properly. You need to cut them open to get all the corrosion out the inside and the outside, so you can actually successfully weld them back together. So I'm going to have a go at cleaning it all up, and when I get it all cleaned up, I'll see if it will save, because if it's really thin metal and there's not a lot left, obviously it's just going to be an absolute waste of time. But if there's still strong metal there, by the time I've cleaned all this corrosion off, I can get it successfully cleaned up on the inside and the outside, it should actually weld up. Not sure how I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'll use a TIG welder or a MIG welder or use my hobby bottles or what. That sounds nice. Andy's just standing in all the corrosion and I can hear it crackling on the floor. Yeah, so...
Wow.
Anyway, that's the gpz900r tank. Keep a lookout for the next video to see what I do with this tank, and keep an eye out for my other videos. The one on the archive project, the TZR253M8 archive project. I'm going to start painting that soon. Also this E30, I'm going to be getting on with this because this needs to go back to the customer soon. I need the space as well, so I'll be getting on with this. That'll be going back to the customer. And also the SRAD project we're doing, like I was saying, we're trying to put our own race team together. I don't see why we can't do it. I've got quite a lot of contacts now. We've got a absolute spot on rider, perfect rider for the job. He needs a bit of managing, like, but he needs a bit of managing, like, just a bit, but he's absolutely perfect rider for us, for the bike. And it's a perfect sponsoring opportunity for anyone that wants to sponsor us. It really is, to get your name on the bike, on the jackets, on our vans, and also I'll cover it as much as I can on the YouTube channel. I'll be doing TikTok videos all the time. I'll get it out there as much as I can. Plus the bike is a road registered bike, so we'll probably have a bit of a potter about in the local area with it as well. So that's that. Keep watching my videos and I hope you've enjoyed it. And I don't know what you think of this tank, but hopefully we can save it.
Comments in the...
Yeah, put your opinions in the comments.
That's the one. What you think.
See how many of you tell me to throw it in the bin. Right, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.